Number 3, the ratio of boys to girls in Miss Cunningham's class is 2 to 3. There are 18 girls in the class. What is the total number of students in Miss Cunningham's class? So the first ratio we know is boys to girls. So I'm going to come over here real quick and write some of this down. So boys is 2, girls is 3, and we see in the question it asks for the total number. So I need to find the total from my ratio right here. So if it's 2 to 3, that means there are 5 students total. So now I'm going to set up my labels. So we know the girls. We're trying to find the total. So now using this part over here, we got to make our first ratio. So girls is 3, total is 5, and we're trying to figure out if there are 18 girls, how many boys, or how many total kids are there. So then I see 3 times 6 is 18. So then I can do 5 times 6, which would be 30. So it means there are 30 total students in that class.